Lakshmi, K.S. Subiksha, K. Saravanan, K.V. Akash, K. Sanjay, B. Vishwa, D. Yoga Karthi, V. Banarjit, S. Jayesh, S. Rajendra Prasad, S. Ahmad Bilal.
One of the serious investigation in the book. There are 9 in the family. They are who, where, how, why, which, what, when. In that crucial family, who is murdered? Listen carefully. Who is murdered? Now the case begin.
Good evening, Chief. Good evening, lawyers and the crowd. Let us proceed. May know the case.
There are 9 in the family. In that family, who is murder? Who is murder? Yes, Lord. Who is murder?
Who said murdered? Okay, tell me who is murdered.
Yes, Lord. Who is murder?
That I know. Tell me who is murdered. Who?
Yes, Lord. You are right. Who is murder?
Ade coconut mandaya. You are repeating my words. Bloody. Lawyers, come and proceed.
Good evening, crowd. When, where, which, what, whose, whom, why, how. Please come on the stage. Dear Lord, in this family, who is missing and he is murdered? Police are doubting how.
Hello, Lord. I am the in charge of the case. On the day I went to the house with lul dog. After my dog is always shouting how. So we are doubting his how. How is the culprit?
How? Dear Lord, I am Pavam. I was bathroom at the time. Getting no water, no place, no toilet. When did I do murder? Tell me, Lord, when did I murder?
Venna. Mari mummy, Jalla mummy. See this nonsense. How is blaming me? At the time I went to park with my lover.
Who is your lover?
Why is my lover?
உசிரெடுத்து வச்சுக்கிட்டார கண்ணால என தின்னாடா பச்ச தண்ணி போல் அட சொம்புக்குள்ள.
Why is your lover? Last week you proposed to me, but now you are dancing for ஒத்த சொல்லால.
வார்த்தை தவறி விட்டாய் கண்ணம்மா மார்பு துடிக்குதடி காற்றில் கலந்து விட்டாய் கண்ணம்மா கண்கள் கலங்குதடி பறந்ததே
What did I do wrong? Tell me, Gopal, tell me, what did wrong?
What did wrong? De whose? Do you know Kung Fu? Single did 4 pieces. I know murder, but don't know who is murder and where he is murder.
Where murder? Mummy, I am your child, but now you are blaming me since 14 years. Oh God!
எடுத்தவதா என்னையோ தத்து கொடுத்து புட்டா பெத்த கடனுக்குத்தான் என்ன வித்து வட்டிய கட்டி புட்டா பிள்ளையின் மனசு பித்தாச்சு இங்க பெத்தவ மனசு கல்லாச்சு இன்னொரு மனசு என்னாச்சு ஒண்ணுமே புரியலே உலகத்திலே ஒண்ணுமே புரியலே உலகத்திலே என்னமோ நடக்குது மர்மமாயிருக்கு
நீ பிரிந்தாய் நான் இருப்பேன் உன்னோடு வாழ்ந்தேன்
Okay, let us call our chief lawyer, Mr. 23rd Pulikesi Imsarasan, to handle this case.
Hello everybody. Be serious. This is not Lollu Sabha code. This is Mango's code. Now tell me, who murdered?
Wow, 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 wow. Wow, lad. What a genius. You are right. Who is murder?
All are fighting each other. Then whom should be blamed now?
Ha 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 ha. I am home. I am home. Congratulations. Happy married life. Everyone. Mangalyam Dandunam Ram Ram Om Grim Ram Ram. So, dear Lord, only which is remaining. We got it. Everyone say, we got it. எல்லாரும் சொல்லுங்க, we got it. She is the culprit.
Adi Sarupala, I am your wife. You are noticing me as a culprit. How dare you? How brave you are.
அழகான மனைவி அன்பான துணைவி அமைந்தாலே பேரின்பமே மடி மீது துயிலே சரசங்கள் பயிலே மோகங்கள் ஆரம்பமே
Who is not murder? I am who? I am who? I am the who? I am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.